Okay, so we're currently in Cabana Bay. We're staying at the Beachside Tower, which was with the Volcano Bay view.
7th floor.
And we're on the 7th floor.
Going down.
Just wanted to take a couple minutes to give y'all a quick look at the room in case you're ever interested in getting you a Volcano Bay view room. It's definitely a very large room. It's considered a standard room, but I always find these in the two towers to be rather larger than your regular Volcano Bay view room. You can request one of these larger towers, and give y'all a look at what it looks like. There's a little snippet of the view. Turn some lights on. They do have a stand-up showers, very spacious, as you can tell. Have a nice little vanity, so you can have two people getting ready, one in the bathroom, one out here in the vanity. There's your standard 2 queen beds. You have a nice little sitting area, so if you do go down to the Bayside diner, you can bring it back up here, get it to go, and you have someplace to sit. I highly recommend doing that. There's your flat screen TV. You have four drawers for your belongings, and as well as a little mini fridge. Now I know if you watch the dockside videos, I'm somewhat disgruntled about not having a coffee pot, but this one does come with a Cuisinart. It has four regular and 2 decaf pods if you like coffee. You also have a little closet area here with a safe, so for your belongings, hangers and ironing board. The safe is back there. You also have a hair dryer in the bathroom for you, and they do provide all your amenities for your soap and shampoo. And here's our Volcano Bay view. We have 2 really good views of the larger family water slides. Some of the the 2 people rafts right here, and there is the volcano, as picturesque as you can imagine. You have the lazy river down here. So it's definitely worth it to get the Volcano Bay view. Once again, we're on the 7th floor, so I'm sure if you get the 11th floor, you get a little more height and a little more distance you can see. But overall, I'm very impressed with the view. Okay, so we're in the elevator now. We're going down to the Bayside Diner to try to find us a little snack before we head to Universal.
1st floor.
And we have arrived on the 1st floor.